Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Rana Muhammad Kashif and you are watching Positive People Commission. Welcome to another interesting Microsoft Excel tutorial about how to use REPT function in Microsoft Excel. This Excel tutorial explains how to use the Excel REPT function with syntax and examples. Uh, the REPT function, REPT, the Microsoft Excel REPT function returns a repeated text value a specified number of times. The REPT function is a built-in function in Microsoft Excel that is categorized as a string or text function. It can be used as a worksheet function in Microsoft Excel, and the REPT function can be entered as part of a formula in a cell of a worksheet. And now looking at the syntax, the REPT function has two arguments. The number one is text, the text value to repeat, and the next is number underscore times, the number of times to repeat the text value, and the REPT function returns a string or text value. It is applicable to all versions of Microsoft Excel. And now let's look at some example of the REPT function and explore how to use the REPT function as a worksheet function in Microsoft Excel. Let us have some values. For example, positive, and I want this. So let me just use the REPT function on cell A and repeat it 3 times. It results positive has been repeated 3 times. Now let's use it on A2, the REPT of A2 now, and just 2 times, and people has been repeated 2 times. We can also specify text within this formula rather than just referencing the cell, and I can input the text as well, repeat it 5 times, and I will get the commission 5 times. So pretty cool, huh? That's how we use REPT function. I hope so you have enjoyed and learned this amazing Excel formula. Till then, the next tutorial, you can go and watch my Excel playlist on the amazing Excel functions I have already explained. Till then, the next tutorial, it's goodbye from me.